Good morning, friends. My name's Miss Amanda. I'm a preschool teacher at Home for Your Heart School, and today we're going to be doing a fun art project where we're going to make our own puffy paint. Now, you only need a few ingredients for this one. You just need some plain shaving cream. Just make sure it's not the gel kind or any scent that you don't like. Any original thick shaving cream is perfect. You just need regular glue. And then if you want to make your puffy paint different colors, you'll just need any kind of paint that you like, just any liquid paint. It can be tempera, it can be acrylic, whatever you like. And then you're just gonna need some paper and a little bowl and a brush or something to stir with. So you can paint with shaving cream anytime you want, but the problem with just shaving cream, even though it's fun, is once it dries, it flakes off and it doesn't leave you with a nice, cute project. If you add the glue to the shaving cream, you get fun, puffy paint that dries and is still fluffy and squishy and is so much fun to play with and look at, and it does not fall off your paper once it's dry. So we made just some clouds with our plain white puffy paint, but if you want to add colors, what we're going to do today is this cute cupcake project. You can make it any colors you want. So for the bottom, I just had some cute scrapbook paper. I just cut that into a cupcake holder shape and glued it onto my paper. And now we're going to make some puffy paint and finish this project. So you're going to take your shaving cream, put it in a bowl. About that much is plenty. And then you're going to take your glue and you want a nice big squeeze of this glue. This is the secret ingredient that makes it all work. So you want almost as much glue as you have shaving cream. And then you just need something to stir it all together. So parents, when you're stirring it together, it's still going to look like shaving cream, but it's going to get a little shiny. It reminds me of that marshmallow fluff you can buy in a jar. It's kind of that same gooey, shimmery consistency. I'm going to add a little bit more glue just to make sure we got it all the way. And once it looks like shiny shaving cream, then you're in the right spot and it won't flake off your paper once it dries. That looks pretty good. Still smooth and creamy, but it's a little stretchy like that, like marshmallow fluff. All right, and then if you want to make it a color, all you have to do is add a little squeeze of paint. It doesn't take much. That should be plenty. And stir it in. And now we have blue puffy paint. It's so much fun. The nice thing about this project is not only does it make some really cute art that the kids love to mess with once it's dry, but it's also a really good sensory project while they're painting. Let them get in there and get messy. It's not going to make a big mess all over your table or anything because it's mostly just shaving cream. Especially if you use washable tempera paint, it's all going to come right off of your stuff. I also suggest going to the dollar store and getting a big plastic tray. These are lifesavers. They're $1 right now in their summer section, come in all kinds of cute colors. Put that on the table. That really saves you a lot of cleanup and mess because they can go right in the dishwasher or just rinse right off in your sink. All right, so now I'm gonna add some icing. We're gonna pretend this is icing and I'm just gonna fluff it all over where I think the top of my cupcake would be. You can do this with a brush. You can do this with your fingers if you want to get messy. It's really squishy and fun to play with. Or my favorite thing to use is actually a popsicle stick, but I didn't have any of those at my house today, so I'm just using a brush. So then, once you get your nice fluffy icing, how you like it, look, it looks just like cake icing. You can add sprinkles. Now you can use real sprinkles for this if you want to. You can use little beads if you have anything like that at home. Pom-poms would be cute. What I have is I have some little paper dots from my hole puncher. Now this is where we get into a good fine motor skill. If you pour these out on the table, kids have to use their little pinchy fingers. Remember pinchy fingers, these are very important to use at school and at home. They help your fingers learn how to work. You can use pinchy fingers or you can dab onto the little pieces of paper and squish them on. And you just stick them on there, wherever you want there to be a sprinkle. Or you can pick up a bunch and drop them in. just like you would regular sprinkles, or glitter. Glitter would also be a fun thing to put on here if you're brave. So there we have it. It's a cute little cupcake. Have fun making your own puffy paint. It's so easy and so much fun. And just wait till it dries. Then it's nice and squishy and fluffy and you can poke it. All right, have a good day. See you soon, friends.